Hello guys, there's this event going on with the CatStar application where the company is going to be buying 1 million USDT worth of CAT token from the miners. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to participate in this activity and also how to quickly get eligible to participate in this activity. So if you want to know how this works, stick to this video till the end. What up guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Urban Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. So if today is your first time on my YouTube channel and you're listening to my voice for the very first time and you love making money online and also you want to know how to make money online through cryptocurrencies, then go down below, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload a brand new update like this for you. So quickly, let's jump into today's episode. All right guys, first of all, if you don't know anything about this platform, you don't know what's going on here, this is a mining application called the CatStar application where you are going to be mining. You are going to click just once in every 12 hours. So you just come and click here for you to start earning the CAT token. It's a brand new one. It started I think in August of 2022, so you can quickly hop on it before it's too late. And to get on it, there's a link in the description of this video. You can go down below, you can click and it will take you to where you can register and sign up. I made a video on how to sign up. The last video was about how to sign up on this application. I'll leave the link also in the description. You can click it and watch, or I leave it on the top right corner of this video so you can also click and watch. So guys, now in this video we're going to be talking about the buyback event going on. Now for us to see what's going on, let's quickly click on the buyback events and we get more details there. Over here, click and you're in. So let's click on it and see what's going on. All right, so now this event started since the 3rd of October 2022 and it's going to be ending on December 2022, on the 3rd of December 2022. So you can see the time. Don't forget the time is also there. I think this time is a Singapore time. So yeah, all right, so quickly now let's check out what they're talking about here. Now the buyback, what they're saying is the company is going to be buying about 1 million USDT worth of CAT token from we the miners, from those that mine. Now for us to be qualified to participate in this event, there are some criteria you need to meet up with, and one of them, which is one of the top criteria you need to meet up with, is to have about 10 real active miners in your pool. So when we say 10 active miners in your pool, not just 10 people, and when 5 or 6 are active means you're good to go. You are not eligible, you are not qualified to earn the USDT. So what you need to do is to make sure your 10 miners that are under you are active, they keep mining as well. So the more the 10 people mine, the more your USDT balance grow also in this event. Now you need to take your time to read what is here so you understand how this thing is going to be paying you, and so take your time to read it. Say the number of repurchasable CAT equals the number of CAT held in your account. So you can see that. So it's definitely the amount of mine CAT in your account that they are going to be buying back or in USDT, but make sure your 10 active miners are also active that particular moment. Payback time. Now the payback time is on they said is in December 31st 2022. Now the event is going to end on the 3rd of December 2022, but the payback period is going to start from the 31st of December 2022. So that is what they claim here, and the duration for the payments, I'm sure there are going to be a lot of transaction made that day or that period, so it's going to take them a long time. So they are like they put like 7 days, 7 working days for us to be able to receive our payment. So when you get so when you come down here, you can see the number of your active miners and the number of cards in your wallet right now, which is here also. Number of cards in your wallet, and also the amount you are going to be getting in USDT is available over here. All you need to do is to invite people to join you and mine on this application, and you're going to be making some extra cash in USDT with this event. So guys, it's an opportunity to grab and make use of it, but I am not a financial advisor. I am not working with the CAT team or the core team of this application. This video is not sponsored, so I don't know. I am not saying you should put all your hope here. This is a free mining application, and we don't know what, I don't know, there's no guarantee that these people are going to pay us this money. I don't know honestly till then. So we are all miners, and I am also mining like you. This video is not sponsored, so it's not a financial advice. So guys, make your own research before you do anything, before you invest anything. So that is how you can be eligible for this event. You need to get miners under you. Now another thing is, for you to quickly get those miners, how do you do it, guys? I always tell my team, people that work in my team, I always tell them, you need to also make use of your social medias, guys. Once you make use of your social media, go down to come over here, you look for the link, your link to share. We can also get it here. You just need to get your link, your referral link, copy your referral link, then go ahead to your social media. I don't know what you're doing with your social media. If you're playing, you're having fun, I don't know, make use of your Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, even TikTok. You can of course make use of it. Then share your link, invite people, and in no time you're going to see 10 people are going to be mining, and you need to keep motivating them to mine also, so that they, it's actually free. We are not paying for this. You just click once in every 12 hours. So guys, that is all. That is how it works. So guys, and one more thing, guys, do not create multiple accounts trying to be smart. These people are going to get you, guys. So it's better you do not do that. Don't be greedy trying to create multiple accounts and you end up losing everything. So guys, just do the right thing and you're going to cash out if they are going to pay. So guys, if you like what I showed you and you want to be part of it, there's a link in the description of this video. Join us now, because like I said in the previous video I did, that it's a new application and we are still mining at a very good rate. You can see it over here. This is the basic rate, mining rate. So, and in less than, I think in less than some weeks now, we are going to be reducing this to 2. It's going to be turning to 0.02. So guys, that is normal when the number of users increases. So guys, jump on this and accumulate more CAT now. So guys, if you like what I just showed you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new updates. So guys, I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.